In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a service menu for GoHighLevel. Before we dive into the details, it's important to understand that organizing a well-structured service menu can significantly impact your user experience and conversion rates. Whether you're offering consultations, digital products, or any other service, presenting them in a neat, accessible format will streamline your customer's journey. First, we need to head over to your funnel or website within GoHighLevel. You can find this by navigating to sites and selecting either funnels or websites based on where you plan to add your service menu. To begin, you have the option to either create a new funnel by clicking on the plus sign labeled New Funnel or open one that you already have running. Now that we're in the funnel editor, the next step is to add a section for your service menu. Click on Add Section, then proceed to Add Row and Add Columns. Here, you have the freedom to customize how your services are displayed. Within each column, you'll want to add a few key elements. Start with an image element to visually capture your service, whether it's a photo or a simple icon. Following this, insert a headline element to clearly present the name of each service. To provide more context, add a paragraph element that includes a brief description. Finally, incorporate a button element with a call to action like Book Now or Learn More, encouraging the visitor to engage further. After setting up your elements, we can move on to styling your service menu. Aim to present your services in a clean grid layout. For desktop users, having 3 or 4 columns across can enhance readability, while a single column is most suitable for mobile devices. Consider using background colors or borders to visually separate each service, enhancing clarity and focus. If you're feeling creative, adding hover animations could add an engaging touch each time a customer interacts with the service option. Here's a pro tip. Save time by duplicating your service block if you need to add more offerings. This ensures consistency and efficiency in expanding your menu. Finally, it's crucial to link each Book Now or Learn More button effectively. Determine where these actions should lead. Options include linking directly to your booking calendar, a checkout page, or a funnel step where more details are provided. You could also link to an external website or a PDF brochure if it suits your business. Within button settings, choose the action as Go to URL or Funnel Step to set the destination. By following these steps, you'll have a functional and aesthetically pleasing service menu that enhances your GoHighLevel page, guiding your potential customers seamlessly toward your offerings.